Let's start. An expression is taken away from this full expression to obtain this full expression. Then the expression taken away is, it means this is like this problem. Some number is taken away from 8 to form 3. Then the number taken away is, so 8 minus 3. So similarly we are doing over here. This is 8 and this is 3. So 8 minus 3, that is 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 minus this full, minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20. Solve the bracket. As for the first bracket there is a plus sign outside, so same figures will come out with same signs. So up to 20 same. Now here minus sign outside, so all the internal signs would change. This will become plus x square plus y square minus 6xy minus 20. Now check out which are similar terms with which have same x integers. So 3x square and x square indices, sorry, with same indices, so x square, so 4x square, right? Minus 4y square plus y square, minus plus minus, 4 minus 1 3, sign of the bigger one, so minus 3. 5xy and 6xy, plus minus minus, 5 minus 6 means 6 minus 5, same, 1, sign of the bigger one, so 6 minus 20 and 20 get cancelled. So this is the answer.